Oh, hey there. What's poppin', guys? My name is John Barker. I'm the award-winning pit master at Beach Bum Barbecue and the executive chef here at Skull and Mortar. And today we're gonna get ready for the holidays, my friend. We are going to smoke ham. So normally when I cook a ham for Christmas, I try to find a pit ham. I couldn't find any this year, so I grabbed this ham here. You wanna make sure when you pick a ham that you find one that's already been cured. Now I know that a lot of people are going to be like, oh, it's already cooked, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's fine, it's whatever. You can go with a raw ham if you want to, but the ham that you get will be much more barbecue-y and much less Christmas hammy. So if you're looking for the ham experience and less of a barbecue experience, I'm going to show you how to use a couple barbecue tips and tricks to take this ham here and make it the perfect ham for your family gathering. So now what you want to do is you want to wipe any juices or moisture off of this that you might have. With this one here, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with just a little bit of olive oil cooking spray to help my rub kind of stick on there. Make sure that you get all the sides there. We're just gonna take some of our Beach Bum barbecue rub and we're just gonna give it a good coating. You don't have to get too crazy with it, but this is gonna add just a top-notch layer of flavor. That's what's gonna help take this from a basic boring ham to a badass glazed ham. And we'll go ahead and hit this side since it's exposed. It is obviously gonna brown up. So I'm pretty happy with how this ham looks. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my probe in it. I'm gonna throw it on the smoker. You wanna be at about 250 degrees. And we're just gonna let it roll until it's maybe around 120 degrees or so, and we're gonna hit it with the glaze. Again, we're not trying to cook this ham. We're just trying to get some smoke flavor into it. We're trying to get the rub flavor into it. And then we're gonna set a glaze on it. So we don't have to worry about too much as far as internal temperature goes. We just want it to be a good temperature to eat. All right guys, so we have gone ahead and pulled our ham and you can see that we're starting to get the crust that we want to get, but we don't want it to turn too dark. The ham was already dark going in, but we don't want it to look burnt and busted. So we went ahead and pulled it. We're gonna slide this off to the side and we're gonna get our glaze together. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little pineapple juice. I'm gonna go ahead and pour about half of that container in there. You can finish this off later. Now we're gonna take our Beach Bum barbecue sauce. I'm gonna drop in a few tablespoons of that right in on top of that pineapple juice. You can always add more in later should you wish, but we're gonna hit it with some Grey Poupon honey Dijon mustard. It doesn't have to be Grey Poupon. But really, are you even civilized if you don't use it? Maybe you can't get into it. Maybe it's just gonna leave you hanging right in the middle of your video. Problem solved, you should always carry a pocket knife. God, this is a battle, man. Terry's gonna have a good time with that one. All right, finally, because I always come prepared. You want maybe a tablespoon, 2 max in there, and then we're gonna hit it with our brown sugar. You want a good chunk of brown sugar in there. That's where a lot of the sweetness is gonna come from. I'm not joking, you want a lot in there. Don't be chintzy. And then finally, we're gonna follow it up with a little bit of honey. And we're gonna give it probably a solid tablespoon of honey. Now we need that to be mixed together, so we're gonna go ahead and whisk that. Feel free to make fun of my whisk if you like, but it does collapse down and fit in my knife bag pretty nice. I feel comfortable with myself, so I'm gonna keep using it. And we're just gonna kind of mop that over the top of this here. Make sure you're on a surface where you can afford to make a little bit of a mess. And don't be afraid to really mop that on there. I mean, don't be afraid to really hammer that in. Just get it all over, get a good coating, let it run. Guys, obviously it's wet right now, but we want to get it back on the smoker because we want this glaze to have the opportunity to set and really hammer in the flavor on this ham. It's not going to take too long. It's going to take around 15-20 minutes tops, and so make sure you keep an eye on your ham. I check it in about 10 minutes and then go from there. All right guys, our ham is glazed. Look at this thing, it looks phenomenal. You can just see all the flavors that we built up on the outside. You can also see them all over my shirt because I definitely got that shit everywhere. But now it is time for the moment that we've all been waiting for. It's time to carve this bad boy up. Look at that, perfection. All right, we're gonna get a good slice here. Cut it like a pizza. That's good, that's real good. You can taste the smoke. You can taste the honey cure. You can taste the glaze on the outside. This, my friend, is literally the perfect Christmas ham. Guys, that's it. It's that simple. If you wanna make a Christmas ham, that's a recipe right there that literally anybody can make at any skill level, and you will be the star of your Christmas gathering this year. If you want to use the barbecue sauce we did in the glaze, make sure you head over to skullandmortar.com and grab yours today. They are shipping pretty quick right now. So guys, if you like this recipe, if you learned something today, leave a like, throw a comment down below. If you hate it, dislike it, talk crap, it doesn't matter. But let us know you were here. I'll see you next week with a brand new video.